What's it running?
Standard.
So this car, underneath the engine bay, there's a turbocharger installed to the K20 that's running a 700 brake horsepower billet turbocharger from TDI North. It's no joke. So I guess it's time to go for a drive and shock some people. It's not no one. What's it running?
Right?
What's it running?
Standard.
Standard. Well, how much brake?
190.
190. That's pretty good, that is. DSG?
Yeah, yes.
Wow, that will shoot off, man. Turbo! Oh, there he is. There he is. Alright, buddy. Tried to get it as quick as I could.
Alright, that's cool.
Here you go. You enjoy your meal, alright?
Thank you, mate.
Take care. Have a good one. Have a good one. Cheers. Let's go to the next job and get people. Oh, we've got a job already straight away. Greg's. At the end of this video, we're going to find out how much money we made and how many cars we gapped with this FN2 Turbo. Jeez, we're getting to the food fast today. Get closer. NA. I just that's jokes. Supercharge, yeah? Alright, so 1, 2, 3, go. And we can smoke this car, this BMW driver. We got a next job, 4 jobs. Let's do it.
We should have him.
Yeah.
It's alright.
Oh, we smoked him bad, man. He thought he had him in this car. Greg's over there. Let's go around. Yes, the drink for you, mate. Take care of yourself. Yeah, it's really hot day, man. Look after yourself. It's quite emotional to see like homeless people out there on a hot day. It's just crazy, man. That's someone's father, someone's son. I mean, I'm not the best example, but we can at least try it and give back where we can. So I hope this video inspires many young people, the younger generation, to give back. Let's go. Let the Mini come. Ah, just go. Go, go, go. This car is rapid. Got here as quick as I can, okay? You enjoy your meal, mate. Have a good one. Take care.
Head to your drop.
Okay. Move on to the next job. Let's go. Bow. Not standard. It's manual, obviously, but it's boost by gear. Turbo.
Yeah, I couldn't lose you.
When you were in the bend, I was like, bro, that's got to be 4-wheel drive.
Rear-wheel drive.
Rear-wheel drive. It's twitching. I was like, what the heck? What's it pushing? Be real.
403 brake standard.
500. Wow, that's fast. That's fast, man. That thing is rapid. So on a serious note, that's a 500 brake. ZF DSG gearbox Alfa Romeo. Oh my god, send it. Look at that, you couldn't even tell it's a turbo. Good old Type R's, eh? K20 the world. That's a gangster's car, that is. Whoa. BBS wheels? We are trying to find how. Yeah, you can, mate. Enjoy your meal, yeah? Take care of yourself. Alright, see you later, mate. Okay, let's go. £2.79 KFC chicken. We're getting paid more to deliver it than the price of the meal. Oh my god. Alright guys, that's a wrap on the experiment. Turns out delivering in a boosted Honda isn't exactly the most economically viable idea. But hey, everyone absolutely loved how fast they got their food. So overall, I'll call that a win. If you think we should give that another shot, maybe with some tweaks, drop a comment down below and let me know what you all think. I just want to say thank you very much for watching guys, I really appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, smash that subscribe button, smash that like, and make sure to drop a comment if you're new to this channel. And hit that bell notification so you don't miss the next video on this build, because we've got some crazy content coming to you guys. Stay tuned for this one. Peace out. May the Almighty bless each and every one of you.